Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Matt, the Phone Builder Guy. In this video, we're going to show you a pathway you can take to reach 3K per month with affiliate marketing. 3K per month is not necessarily a great lifestyle to have in America, okay? But think for a second here. If you could actually match your jobs check, let's just say we're making 3K a month. Would having an extra check for 3K a month help you out and your family? And in that case, yeah, you might actually like going to your job. You might be going to your job with a new step, because you have another check coming in. So how can you get there with affiliate marketing? Well, the first thing you got to do is make sure that you are picking the right offers. Now, there's lots of offers out there. Everything has an affiliate program because every company wants to have basically free advertising, right? If you can deliver them a customer, they're going to give you some commission. All right, this is fair. But what's not fair is a lot of companies don't give you great commissions, right? They give you minuscule, tiny commissions. Like Amazon, it's like 2% to 5% commissions. All right, in order for you to hit this number or get anywhere close, it's going to take selling a lot of different products to get there. Even 10% commissions is kind of low. One of the common commission structures out there is 33% commissions. This is actually get into a more fair zone, and you can actually see a pathway to get there. But what you need to do is find a program that pays out high commissions. Do you want to do 100% commission offers? I do not recommend it, because 100% commission offers means you're taking all the responsibility and all the liability that comes with running a company, collecting the payments, refunding. And most of the times, if you're using Stripe will ban you when they find out you're promoting an offer like this. Okay, so what you want to find is a program that pays high commission above 75%. So what kind of programs pay out 75%? Those are e-learning programs, training programs. Those typically pay the highest because the product's actually complete. If it's a complete product and doesn't take much to go into maintaining it and keeping it going, it's just one cost just to build the product. At that point, it's profit. So these companies can pay out a higher percentage commission. A high commission product is the key. And you want to have a recurring commission. Right now, a lot of people in America, they're realizing that I have a job that I'm going to, that even if I work a full week, I'm still not going to be able to survive, or I'm going to just barely get by. So a lot of people are coming in line trying to learn how to make money right now. And a lot of people are going to try it out and they're going to fail. And then they're going to start looking for the proper information and training and how to do it right. So with our company, the Home Business Academy, all right, we offer a couple different things. One of them is a funnel builder tool. This is what we're on right now. This background here, this is a tool that you can use to create websites and funnels. The best part is it's only 25 bucks. Now inside this builder, this is a section I created where I have these 2 and 3 step funnels for affiliate marketers. When you're affiliate marketing, the best way to get the better results is to send people to a capture page to get their information. All right. Typically what you do next is you're going to send them to an affiliate offer, right? And you got the lead on your list, but you can remarket them to the offer. Now, the better way of doing it is with a bridge page. You're going to give away some kind of training. Okay. It could just be a pass through, a curiosity headline that gets a little bit of you to introduce yourself. Say, hey, listen, I was going through the same struggle that you were until I found, boom, the XYZ program that you are promoting. If you want to learn more information about it, click the link below. What that does, it just introduces yourself so they know that the emails are coming from you, which is going to increase your conversion rate for your offer over time. So what I've done here in this platform is I've created dozens and dozens of templates you can use for such offers. Now, all those new people I'm talking about, they're coming online. They're going to need a tool like this. Now, this builder here, it pays out 80% commissions. It's only 25 bucks. So you get one sale in this builder and you're earning 20 bucks per month. Okay. If you get 2 sales, 2x that, you're making 40 bucks. Now you're in profit. You're paying off the funnel builder and you put 15 bucks into your pocket. Now, once people have nice pages, all right, nice pages are not enough to help them get sales, right? They need to learn how to get traffic, how to get conversions, how to write emails that sell. That's very important part of the process. And this is what we have, the Home Business Academy. Now, there's lots of different training platforms on the internet. What separates this one from the other ones is we go live 13 times per week. And 6 of those times of the week are on the funnel builder, and how to get traffic conversions and leads to any offer. All right. You literally get to go over the shoulder to watch us work to see exactly what we're doing to get results in our business. You can ask questions, participate. If you need help, you can ask questions. And really what this is a group coaching offer. Now, this is called a premium platform, all right? And we have we have training you can go through like any other course, but you're getting access to the calls and you can get on every single day of the week except Sunday. Now, this offer costs $150 a month. And if you want, you can try it out for 14 days for free. I was wrong there. It's $125. Okay. We sell this with the Funnel Builder tool to give them a business in a box. That's $150. Okay. And it's going to pay out in commission $120 per month per sign up. Now we want to get to 3K. So how do we get to 3K with this? It's simple. Let me pull up my calculator real quick. Right. We got $3,000 as our goal divided by 120. You just have to get and maintain 25 signups. All right. Now, there's lots of network marketing companies out there, and most of those companies only pay out $1 per referral. There are a lot of low ticket commission affiliate programs that just don't give you enough residual to get to a goal like 3K. 25 customers and you're there, right? You just got to maintain 25 active customers of people who want to learn how to do internet marketing the correct way. And you're going to earn 80% commissions, and 25 is 3K, right? You can go higher than that, but it's to set your goals at 3K. You want to match or come close to matching your job check. And it's all it takes is getting 25 people active in our platform. Now, there's lots of programs out there you can use to make money, but network marketing, a lot of them, they only pay out a couple bucks per person. So you're going to need hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of people to hit the 3K mark, all right? With our company, you just got to get 25. Best part is that we teach you how to do that in the call. So if you want to learn more about it, you can try out the premium. You get access to the calls for 2 weeks for $1. I'll have a link below. Okay. There's also another link below for $25 to get our all-in-one business solution, which comes with the Funnel Builder, and 2 weeks free of premium. And after that 2 weeks, you can decide, hey, do I want to stick around? Is this something that could work for me? You'll know right away. And if you want to leave, no problem. Just message support and say, hey, listen, this is not going to work out for me. But either way, it's only going to cost you $1 or $25 just to see if it's something that you want to do. So if you guys want more information, definitely check the link in the signature. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye for now.